students. And then one time, you might be wondering nga nung nahibawan mo, I went to the security guard. The security guard who was assigned to Silliman High School. Remember that security guard who opened the high school office on that evening? Akong giato ng security guard. Akong giinag security guard. Silingan man ako. Doy, unsay, kabaluma ko, moro ginay trabaho yung mga tiguhan. That's the only job that you can do. Now, I'll go to the security agencies, all security agencies in Dumaguete, and I'll tell them not to hire you because you could not be trusted. Now, but I will not do it. Tell me what miracle you did last night. The other night during after the time when you went inside the Silliman High School. There goes what happened. So it was I was no longer part of the disciplinary board. It was not me who suspended you for about a month for each kid. So that was. But although your record is unsurpassed, when you came during your 10th year, you were all of you, I think you were already on your success. You're all successful already by that time. And it does not make you a lesser person. At least you have a very good story to tell to us and to the remaining days of your lives. And congratulate to all of you, class 1980.
Thank you, Ron. Good evening. Mayong gabi. Kailakon man ko. Actually, my sharing is very personal because, as you can see, all the teachers here actually were all my teachers back in back in 1983. And as you notice, nakita man taga niyang hapon, I'm also a reunion po na mo ron. Nya, ang akong role po, organizer po ko. Pero so, niyo ko gibiyaan niya, nagsugod na mag-inom, may ganit gitagaan ko gilimnon. So niyo ko nga, og mainom ko ani, di ko adto, but I said no, I will really have to go because this is one prize that teachers like us really would say that we are in the best profession. Amen. Diba? Because you see, you're invited, you see your students with all the drama, but nganong personal, number one, kaning mga maestra dili, we invited them last night. We gave them their tribute. And si Ma'am Kasyon, kabalugo ni siya because I was, right after graduation, si Ma'am Kasyon, may nirecommend na ako nga mutudlo sa high school. Di ba, Ma'am? Si Ma'am yun na. So pag tudlo na ako sa high school, you didn't know it. But kamo mooy gatulod ba? You were instrumental in my philosophy nga teaching is my job. Kaya nga naman, mulog yun ko. Kaya mayo biya ko po. Gamay sa lang. Mulog man yun ko niya. Lingon ko nga, musulay kong teaching. Sige. And then I was really very happy nga kamo ang estudyante. Not really extraordinary, not worse. But you see, muna ang Silliman. Kumunra kayo na sa Silliman nga, mga Bright, Priamelani nga, valedictorian, nga na ba? Kumunra kayo and then they would excel. Wala ra na. But para na ko, ang Silliman yun mauni. Nga kung kinsa ka, you probably are the dumbest or whatever, the most bugoy. But when you go out, you excel. That is the Silliman education. Diba? Okay, mura po kuhanig politiko. But anyway, kana, mo ginay na sa akong heart. In fact, ang uban ninyong mga classmates became very close friends of mine. Kailan man dagoy mong Insoy, di ba? Si Insoy hangtod karon muli na di gyud na musipyat, moadtog gyud na nako. Bisan nitaas na ni akong blood sugar, musamot gyud ni akong diabetes basta nas Insoy kay magbuntagan na gud mi. But I remember during your time because I was a neophyte teacher. Si Jay, kabalugo ni Jay, siya SG governor, di ba Jay? We had many projects and some of them were radical. Kasapan pa gani ko nilang Ma'am Alcala. Kaya nga kuno kong magsigig pa disco. Inuno ka to Jay? Di ba sa inyong batch na ako'y disco? Di ba? The late Ma'am Anito, tandog yung kalag. Naglagot pa na ako kay gaaway may tungos karton. May katungtong, inumdo mo ato ta si Bard na ay freshman ang mo sponsor, sophomore ang mo sponsor, third year ang mo sponsor, disco. Di ba? Nawala man to nila. Chaperon silang ma'am. Di ba? O mag-party, mag-outing, ako tanang chaperon, lucky. Walay bayi, kay mag-inom po di ay dito sa... But anyway, as I've said, kamo nga batch, I'm really very thankful because kamo ang nag-motivate na ako to love teaching. Manawa na ko, maestro gyud ko. Pag maestro gyud ko ani, di ba ma'am? Anong hanon, maestro gyapon ko. Di ba? So, and I'm really very happy to see you all. I knew Sinon sa una pagka-judge niya ko nga di ko matingala. Di ba? Pag kamo mga sinsumingog ko di ko matingala. You know why? Part man na sa atong life ng nanay. In fact, I said, naanaon closure. In fact, si Alex, I know Alex sa una makita ko Miss Manila. All of you, as I've said, ang Silliman para nako ang quality nga Silliman education is whoever you are, magunsa mo diha, bahala mo mga bungkag mo diha, but at the end what matters is you are who you are today, successful, happy, bisag crisis, di ba? You are here and you continue to be happy. We are happy, I'm happy, nga na ba? So mo nang inbiha palindugay na kay sorry kay AJ ha, pero mo ni ang ako nang tulo ka things nga dili ko mali pag-ingon nga batch 88 di ko malimot kay mingon ko number 1 katong rumble sa St. Paul's asa wa kitag manglabay o Madrid no di gyud na ma-break di ba nya katong leakage nga security guard para dramatic kay na di ba naliman ka asa gud na mangita na dayon of course katong na-suspended si Sinon kato grabe po to niya, grabe nga away. So, niya, can you imagine me, a neophyte faculty, while all these things are happening? And yet, the following year, I said, dili ko, maestro lagi hapon ko, survive lagi hapon. So, ako, from a personal kuan, thank you. And I'm very proud of you. And now that you are in your own successful careers, magsunod man gud na ako malimot di man gyud ko malimot ninyo kay dungan gud tag reunion 83 gud ko 88 nya kana po mo lagi so di ko malimot ninyo tanan. In fact si Liza was under me, AB history gud na si Liza pod, so di ko malimot ang Liza, no? For si Karen asawa na si ni Dennis nga ako pud usahay ka bike mate hangtod karon unang na sexy na buntiya nimo ko apil nako. And so thank you very much for inviting me. As I've said, di ko ganang mohilak, di ko ganang magpa-kwela, di ko ganang magpa